All.
All. You can you
Yeah.
can you teach me some Zulu?
Okay. What do you want to learn?
Just like hello, how are you? Where you from?
Or in Zulu, hello is sawubona.
Sawubona.
Yeah, sawubona.
Yeah.
Then how are you is unjani.
Hey, that's a hard one now.
Unjani, unjani.
Unjani.
Yeah, unjani. That's how are you.
Okay. Ngiyadlala ngiyakhuluma isiZulu.
Hey, what a surprise! What a surprise!
Uthe uhlala eGoli.
Yeah.
Kodwa
I'm still short.